Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we will cover how to disable startup apps in Windows 11. The first option is to use the task manager, then startup, and here you can choose which apps to enable or disable. If you're facing problems opening the task manager, you can see my video where we cover 4 easy methods to open the task manager in Windows 11. The second way is to go to settings, then apps, then go to startup. Here you can also select which apps to disable from your startup menu for better load time. In the end, I hope that you find this tutorial useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more Windows 11 content, check the links in the description below. Until next time, bye.